Oh. Check this out, no!
Poor little vain boys doing their hair at 10 o'clock at night.
I could walk in like this.
You look like the flock of seagulls people from the 80s.
Visually singer.
Yeah. So we gotta like feather one side over to the other. We gotta get the outfit. Cade's spending the night with no PJs, so the boys let him borrow some. Woo! Sexy! Kinda.
When I do the shower, I like to spike my hair like this.
Let me see. Max, let me see.
I'm a scary guy. Hey, you can mess me up.
Jack, let me see. Let's see.
If I dry it, that's what happens.
Very nice.
Cool.
Jacob, got anything for me? You're running a car through your hair.
A little easy.
Nice.
Let me try.
Yeah. Cade looks like a triceratops.
Noah was a porcupine on the last one. I'm a porcupine.
Max, let me see.
I'm a porcupine. Wait, I was a porcupine.
Let me see.
A porcupine.
Jack.
Let me
Max, cool. Let me see.
Whoa.
Very cool. Everyone say bye.
Bye.